Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable information on various topics. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Canada Work Permit Visa and Labor Market Impact Assessment, or LMIA. If you're interested in working in Canada, this video is a must-watch. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about Canada Work Permit Visa. The Canada Work Permit Visa allows foreign nationals to work temporarily in Canada. There are different types of work permits depending on the nature and duration of your employment. Let's take a look at some of the key points. Eligibility criteria. You must have a job offer from a Canadian employer. You may need to provide evidence of your qualifications, skills, and experience. You must prove that you intend to leave Canada after your work permit expires. You may be required to undergo a medical examination and obtain a police certificate. Employer compliance. Your Canadian employer must comply with certain requirements, such as offering a fair wage, providing a safe working environment, and not displacing Canadian workers. In some cases, the employer may need to obtain a positive LMIA. LMIA exempt work permits. Some work permits are exempt from the LMIA requirement, such as permits issued under international agreements and permits for intra-company transferees. Now let's talk about Labor Market Impact Assessment. LMIA. An LMIA is a document issued by Employment and Social Development Canada, ESDC, that assesses the impact of hiring a foreign worker on the Canadian labor market. Let's explore the LMIA process and its significance. Employer application. The Canadian employer must apply for an LMIA from ESDC, demonstrating that they have made reasonable efforts to hire Canadian citizens or permanent residents. They must provide details about the job, including its duration, wages, and benefits. ESDC assessment. ESDC evaluates the application and considers factors such as the availability of Canadian workers, the impact on wages and working conditions, and the genuineness of the job offer. A positive LMIA means the employer can hire a foreign worker, but they must meet additional requirements. LMIA conditions. The employer must comply with specific conditions outlined in the LMIA, such as providing the same wages and working conditions to the foreign worker as offered in the application. The worker must also meet the conditions of the work permit. That wraps up our guide to the Canada Work Permit Visa and LMIA. Remember, the work permit is essential for temporary employment in Canada, and the LMIA process plays a vital role in many cases. If you're considering working in Canada, make sure to thoroughly understand the requirements and follow the necessary steps. Good luck with your Canadian work journey. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on immigration and visas.